Hello and welcome. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be exporting a Lottie animation. If you'd like to learn how to animate this specific Lottie file, you totally can. I have a whole 4-part tutorial series on how to create this specifically. And so if you want to go back and watch those, you totally can. But if you want to just learn how to export using Bodymovin, the plugin, this is exactly that. This is how it's going to be happening. Real quick, this is our sponsor, and also where I can show you how this Lottie file is used. It's this little menu button right here, and you click on it, and it turns into a hamburger. It starts out hamburger. Click on it, turns into an X. It's very fluid, very nice, very clean. And yeah, that's that. So with that being said, also, yeah, this is the Aquastaser, and if you don't want to have chlorine in your pool, or if you've got a salt pool and you don't like the having to use salt, but also you should know. I know a lot of people don't know this, but yes, your salt pool has chlorine in it. It's called a chlorine generator. It converts salt into chlorine. It's how 90% of chlorine is created in the U.S. through electrolysis. It's like a little mini chlorine factory in your backyard. It's not the greatest thing in the world. It's not even close to as cool as this thing is, where this uses cavitation to purify your water. And there's actually no chlorine in the water, so you don't like chlorine's bad for you. I know people say, oh, it's fine, but it's a toxic chemical that's not good for you or animals or children. If you want to get away from that, you totally absolutely can, and this is the best way to do that. And this paired with like an ionizer, phenomenal stuff. It'll save you money. It'll give you perfect pH levels. It's amazing. The cavitation is a really powerful thing. It's a really powerful tool. Oh yeah, totally get into it. The website's still not done, but once it is done, you'll be able to learn all about it. Yeah, you can go to aquastaser.com right now, and get yourself one. Aquastaser.com, and you can get yourself one. So, yeah, we're gonna be doing some exporting in Bodymovin. So without any further ado, we'll get right into it. That is how that is done. And so to export this, all you gotta do is we're gonna save it one last time, and animation, window extensions. So this is where your Bodymovin extension comes into play. I told you can use this program in order to get it downloaded. Window extensions, Bodymovin. And click on loop. Selected it. Go ahead and go in here and just make sure all your settings are correct. What you're looking for as far as settings, there's no hidden layers that need to be exported. There's no guides that need to be exported. No extra comps. No assets that need to be rasterized. We don't need to split the Lottie files in anything. Don't need to do a demo. Sometimes so anyways, save. Now if this is the first time that you're trying to render this out, so where you're gonna, it's where this is gonna be saved. Visual Finesse, YouTube, Adobe Illustrator, hamburger tut, hamburger. Let's go. So if this is the first time you're rendering it, it won't just render. What you'll have to do is you'll have to go into your settings, project settings. No, not project settings, just your preferences, general. And it's actually not general, but I just did that to scripting and expressions here at the bottom, and then allow scripts to write files and access network. So if you don't do this, then it won't render, and you'll get a pop-up telling you to do this. But if you don't know where that is, it's right there. So now that it's rendered, now you can, we'll clap that up. It's been rendered. You're good to go. And you're done. So with that being said, the best way to support me in this content, if you enjoyed it, I hope you enjoyed it if you made it this far, you know, is to like, subscribe, do the bell icon thing, hit always. I mean, YouTube is really getting specific with how we are presenting content. It's really hard for content creators right now because of YouTube's Google influenced algorithms, and it's just really hard for us. So if any kind of support, any kind of sharing or engagement helps us out a lot, commenting helps out a lot, yeah, if you want to learn how to use this in a website, I personally use a variety of different websites, either web or like CMS builders like Webflow, WordPress, Shopify, Squarespace, but I'll be doing a tutorial on how to upload this and use this in a Webflow website, just like you saw here on our sponsors website right here, just like this. So if you want to watch that, that's coming up soon, so you get notified, or maybe it's already up and you just have to click the next arrow. I don't even know. So yeah, so you know what to do, guys. Help me out, please. I'm begging you. I don't want to have to get a real job. That would suck.